Yeah, hey guys, Thomas here, and today I'm going to bring you a PS4 Advanced Warfare video tester. This is the Advanced Warfare case. The Advanced Warfare disc is in the PS4 right now, ready to play some Advanced Warfare. I'm almost like rank 44 or something. So basically this PS4 makes a big noise on this game. Not that big. I've had people have it really quite loud for... I think there's a couple. I think it's like non-stop. This one, it kind of fluctuates in sound. It goes really high. Then when I'm loading the game, like the game screen, it goes right down to like basically nothing, and then it gradually gets higher, and it differs in sound. So hopefully in this video you'll see what I mean about this. So let's get on to the main part of the video. Go for that sound. So as you can hear that, that's after one game and in the lobby waiting for the next game. And when it's loading the game, it will go down. You'll see. Ready? Here we go. How cool is that?